Welcome to the Cape Cottage. How beautiful is this house? We love it so much. Okay, I'm going to give you a little tour of the house. One thing that we love about this house is the roof, the cedar shingles. It's so pretty. Okay. So walking in, you have a very grand entryway, if you can see this. We love the staircase. I think we could both picture our kids coming down for prom or Evelyn on her wedding day. We just love it so much. Okay, so that is the main entrance. As you turn to the right, this is the main living area that we're planning on having as our adult family room. So we're gonna take down those curtains. We've already been talking to a flooring person to put in hardwood floors. I'd love to get one of those Samsung framed TVs for right there. I think that would look really cool. And this space is gonna be pretty badass. Okay, so walking through the family room, you get into the dining room. The hardwood floors will go through there. And obviously the wallpaper will be coming down and the window treatments. Now we are entering the kitchen. So let's turn on the light. There we go. So we will eventually be renovating this kitchen, but it's really big and it's going to be perfect for our family. So as you go through this door, there's like a little closet space. There's a door to the front and then there's two closets. This door goes to the garage. And then here is the half bathroom. Look at that wallpaper. I think all the toilets are still original as well, but our favorite piece of this room is the wallpaper. It's pretty fun. Thomas is a little afraid of it because he says there's naked people all over the walls. Okay, so going in here, this is the laundry room. Nice and big. We'll be painting in here. I want to do some DIY stuff in here, so this will be a fun area for me to work on. Coming back into the kitchen, I'm gonna take you into the kids' family room. So it'll be more of a kids' space. The hardwood floors is gonna be coming in here as well. There's a little bar area. I think we're gonna be taking down this wood on the walls. It's actually faux wood. I don't know if you can hear it. It's not real. It's kind of like a plastic. But all in all, it's pretty cool. This fireplace, I want to try and do something with it. Maybe do paint it white. I would really like to take that grill out of there. There's a random grill in there and center the gas fireplace. But that'll come with time. So as you come around here, you're coming back into the main entry space. And as you go in here, you have the grand office. This is Chris's space where he gets to design it. And we'll be putting new carpeting in here and in all of the bedrooms. So this is the master, but we're gonna be having this be the guest room. So it's really bright and light. They left the chair for us because it matches the blinds, which is pretty nice, or the curtains. So this is really big. I'll show you the room that we're gonna take upstairs. We just wanted to be a little bit closer to our kids. We can maybe move down here later on. Here is the guest bathroom. And then in here is the toilet room with a shower. and a large walk-in closet. Okay, I hope I'm not making you sick by moving all around. That's the basement. And now I will take you upstairs. So there's 3 bedrooms upstairs and 2 bathrooms. All of this carpet's coming out and will be hardwood along with the hallways. And then carpets, like I said, will be going into the bedrooms. So this is going to be our bedroom. There's plenty of closet space for us. We really don't need a walk-in closet, nor do I want to have that much space to fill. So yeah, this is really big and will work just fine for us. There is an ensuite in this bedroom with a bathroom. And then the toilet and the shower are here. As you can see, we're gonna have some wallpaper removal parties. Okay, let's go into the other 2 bedrooms. Here's the bathroom. It's very similar to the one in our bedroom. Same deal. Blue tile, wallpaper, toilet from the 70s, which is actually kind of cool. So all 3 of these doors are closets and storage space. This is little Evelyn's room. We're excited to start designing it. It's so nice and bright. We gotta incorporate some pink. That was her one request because that's her favorite color. So we'll definitely get some pink in here. And then Thomas's room is huge and we have some fun plans for in here. I would love to paint a mural on that wall right there and put some sort of a built-in bunk bed right over there with maybe like a reading nook or some shelving since he loves to read and draw, but we'll figure out what we're gonna do in here, but it'll be cool. And then he has 2 big closets as well. So that is the house. Let me show you just from the window here what our backyard looks like. It's a really large backyard, lots of space, and then we have a pool, beautiful pool outside. So that's the house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it and follow along on all of our renovations and what we're gonna do to the house.